Okay, so today I am working on the ignition system of the Ford Ranger. See, we got the Ranger here. So about 3 years ago, about 2 years ago, I think, the truck started running really bad. Had a really bad intermittent misfire while driving. So I knew I needed an ignition just from the feel of it. So what I did is, but this one here. This is the original one, and this is the one I bought off Amazon. When I put this one in, the one off Amazon, right here, the original one had this firing pattern. It says 1, 3, 4, 2, right there, see? This one does not have that. And when I plugged the one off Amazon in, the truck would not run. So I had to go on some forums and look up alternate firing patterns, and then I rewired it and I got it to run. But it made me really concerned that I had to do that. So I never threw this one away. This is the original one from 20 years ago. So what I ended up having to do is I bought a new one. See how it has that green slip in there? It has the exact same thing as this one here, with and it has the exact same part number on the top, and it's a Motorcraft part number, and I bought it from Ford. So all it takes is, there's 4 bolts on the back that are they're a Torx bolt. They're Torx bolts, and there's a clip over here. You pull this up off of here, and then you push up on this clip on the bottom, and then pull down. So you gotta push up on it and then pull down, and it'll release it. And then I put it in, and then it's, you know, like it is 1, 3, 4, 2, and then this is cylinder 1 through 4. So now I put that new part in. The truck already runs about, I'd say about 75% better than it did with that part off Amazon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish it, put new spark plugs in and new cables. And so I'm going to pull the spark plugs out now, and then I'm going to put in put all new stuff in. So let me get that going. Okay, so I got all 4 spark plugs out. I got one more to put in, which is this one here. And I'm going with the, what are they? NGK Platinum series. I also found that you don't have to, but I took this is the new distributor. And there's the part number, and it actually has a Ford part number, and it's from Motorcraft. So I went with that one this time instead of that aftermarket one. But here's the one that just came out. So yeah, it has some carbon buildup still in there. I'll see if these new ones have a little bit different of a design. But I'm gonna go with these wires. I pulled all these wires off, and I'm gonna go back with the Motorcraft wires because they have a better seal on them. So let me get that put in, and then we'll put the wires in. Alright, now I'm going to put this back, but let me show you while this is out. See, there's a hook on the bottom right here, and you push up on these, and then you can pull out. Let's see if I can get a better shot. You're right here. There's that part you push in, and it moves the pin up, and you can clasp that with a screwdriver and help pull it out. But it goes on like this, like that, right like that, and then it has little screws that go in here, and they're Torx bits. And you get your Torx screwdriver, and you just, let's see, screw them in. And of course, you never tighten anything down until they're all in when it comes to this kind of stuff. You always tighten it all down after it's all screwed in. Alrighty, let me finish this. Alrighty, so I got the last 3 cylinders in, and the thing I like about Motorcraft parts is they're numbered. So right here it's 2, 4, and then 3. They're all the right size. And here's the most important part. You see this little part here? And it fits in here. I always set it in like that. Then I run the wire back here. And then run it up under like that. See how it clicked in? And then I always run it like that. So right here, I don't know if you can see it, but when it goes in, it makes a seal on top of this, right like that.
That has it, Mom?
No. Okay, so, and I always put the wire down into the little hook that's on top of it. And I'll show you over here. On top of these, there's a little hook. And then I run the wire down through the hook and then up. Like so. This wire will go into here like that. See, it snaps into these little hooks. It makes it look nice when it goes back. And then what I don't like is that is rubbing on things. So I'm going to pull that out. See how this part's rubbing? Right down underneath. So it's not rubbing or under tension. So that goes like that. And then one comes up like here. Like that. And now this is loose and doesn't rub on anything important. I'm going to pull this one out. So, and there we go. We're done. Like that. So now nothing's rubbing. Cool. Okay, so see this distance here is too long. So when these aftermarket plugs, spark plug lines, go in there, it doesn't make a seal. And this is what happens. You get crap that falls down into here and then causes bad grounding of the spark plug, and then the truck runs like crap. So like I talked to before, this is the aftermarket one. It had a different firing order. This is the OEM one, which I took this part number right here on the top. You can see it. And I typed that in. They have an updated design, which is this one. And now it should have it's all OEM. Spark plugs, everything. Well, I mean, the spark plugs aren't exactly, but it was a complete cross-reference. So, okay, I got all the garbage and stuff put away. Let's see how it runs for far up with the new spark plugs and everything. These are running pretty smooth. Cool, all done. Okay, so this is the wire set I got from my little truck. It's a WR6059. That's the exact wire set for this. Believe it or not, it was right off of rockauto.com. So it's running pretty good now. I'm gonna take it for a ride around the block and see what we got. But thanks for watching.